Get ready to dive into the world's most vibrant cultural scene and take your career to new heights while staying at the 48 Royal Park Road Student Accommodation in Leeds, the perfect place to stay during your time in Britain. Get cozy in one of the well-lit cluster rooms, each fully furnished with the softest beds to sink into. Enjoy getting your work done in Wi-Fi connected workspace, spacious closet space, and sparkling clean bathrooms to end your day with a nice warm shower. Furthermore, the property boasts a bunch of amenities including bike storage, a 24/7 on-site maintenance team, CCTV surveillance along with an open-air garden and an outdoor area to relax and unwind during your free time. With Leeds University Business School just a short stroll away and the University of Leeds only 5 minutes drive away, you'll have more time to focus on your studies and meet new people while staying here. Feeling peckish? Take a quick walk to Agency Hyde Park Chicken for their delicious wraps and burgers, and on weekends, celebrate with a frothy glass of beer or wine at the nearby Royal Park pub. For all your weekly errands, the Sainsbury's supermarket is just a minute's walk away. To start your new chapter at 48 Royal Park Road, book today with amberstudent.com and stand a chance to avail of exciting offers.